Good day everyone, I hope you are doing great. Today I'm gonna show you how to renew your student membership. For this, we need to enter the sp.org page. On this page, click on membership button and then click on renew membership. If you are new in SPA, click on join SPA. If you already have your membership, click on renew membership. And on this page, you'll see you have two given options: renewal of professional membership and renewal of student membership. In our case, we will renew student membership. Click on renew student and type in your email address and your password. If you already forgot your password, you can click on forgot password and type in your email address and then submit. In my case, I remember my password and I will sign in. On this page, you will see all the information related to your university. In case you will need to change your graduation date or university name or program type, you can just click on them and change and then save. In my case, everything is fine and I will continue renewal. So in this page, you will see you have address, phone number, email location, fax location given. So you can change them by clicking edit button, or you can add your address as well as your email address, phone number. So in my case, everything is fine and I will click next button. So for membership, you have two options. Either you pay $15 and you also have 1 year free membership sponsored by Chevron. So for students, it's free and you can click on free 1 year membership and you can check your local section and Azerbaijan State Oil and Gas University. In case there is any mistakes, you can connect to sp.org page and ask them to change. So you will see 0 USD total written down here. So just click on pay now. And yes, you can see your receipt here and everything is paid. Total you paid $0. And if you want to look to your membership ID, click my home account and you will see your membership ID. Good luck everyone, stay tuned with this SPA.